Got a nice baby food recipe today using organic kale, and we're going to add some sweetness and some added vitamins with organic blueberries and apple. We're going to take our organic apple here, peel it, and cut it into chunks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Put out new videos every week. Once the apple is cut, we'll add it to our steamer pot. Got the blueberries that we washed, nice handful of those. And finally our organic kale, also we washed. Pile that in, put that on the steamer pot, let this go for about 5 minutes, just until it's tender. 5 minutes later, everything's cooked down. You don't want to overcook this. Add it right to the blender. To ensure we get a smooth puree, we'll add formula, breast milk, or filtered water. Give that a blend. Then we'll add that to a container. And that's our organic kale, blueberry, and apple baby food. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.